The Steamships Logistics Division operates in major ports around PNG and across the region, moving goods, supporting communities and driving progress for more than 100 years. Operating in these locations means we face challenges daily, from navigating liner and charter vessels through coastal and inland waterways to undertaking specialised towage and salvage operations. Safety always remains as the foundation of what we do.
Today, we celebrate World Maritime Day, a global event that recognises the vital role of the maritime industry in connecting nations and driving economic growth. At Steamships Logistics, we're proud to be part of this essential service and to contribute to the safe and efficient transportation of goods across Papua New Guinea's unique and often challenging operational environments. This year's World Maritime Day theme is Navigating the Future, Safety First. This is particularly important to us at Steamships Logistics, as safety is not just a priority, but a cornerstone of our operations. Our success depends on the well-being of our people. That's why we invest heavily in high-quality training programs, both in country and abroad, to ensure our team have the skills and knowledge needed to operate safely and efficiently. Our commitment to safety extends across all our operating companies: Consort Express Lines, Pacific Towing, JVPS, and East-West Transport. We have implemented robust safety management systems to ensure that all our activities are conducted in a safe and responsible manner. We are also proud to support the development of the next generation of maritime professionals through our maritime cadetship programs, both at Consort Express Lines and Pacific Towing. These programs provide young Papua New Guineans with the opportunity to gain valuable experience and training in the maritime industry.
Our crew face unique and challenging conditions on a daily basis, yet they operate confidently by following all relevant HSSE protocols, ensuring that safety remains uncompromised.
From ports to tug and vessel operations, safety is part of our DNA. Our safety culture has seen progressive growth from being reactive to dependent, where safety is driven by supervisors and managers. We endeavour to improve the culture by focusing on our people and our systems. Felt leadership plays a significant role in a shift in culture. Our frontline leaders regularly attend seminars and trainings that supports the development of a safety-first mindset. The change in safety culture is not an overnight process. With the aim of maturing the culture towards being interdependent, we will continue to consistently train, monitor, and hold management accountable. Our utmost priority is to ensure that people are safe and return home to their families.
On this World Maritime Day, we commend the dedicated individuals who work tirelessly to ensure our operations are conducted safely and responsibly. Their commitment to upholding the highest safety standards is instrumental in keeping Papua New Guinea and the region connected.
As we navigate the future of maritime, safety will remain our guiding principle. We are committed to providing a safe and secure working environment for all our employees, protecting our assets and contributing to the sustainable development of the maritime industry.
Steamships Logistics, navigating the future, always with safety at the helm.